I got home from work 2 hours ago. My dog is dying and I'm sad, and so we're gonna make some boba. This is gonna be all in one take, whatever, no fucking edits, because I'm so I hate editing videos and I'm too tired to do any of this bullshit right now. So I'm just going to quickly boil the boba, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I make this really simple, just the brown sugar boba. I am so fucking tired and sad and TikTok. I know it's only been like a week since I learned that TikTok was the reason why, you know, was the reason why they took down my videos for no reason and my account for no reason. And I'm already like thinking like I'm gonna use my broken ass iPhone 5 SE that I bought from eBay literally 2 weeks ago. Ooh, this is my, sorry, that's my dog's medication. He got diagnosed with pancreatitis slash gastroenteritis. Oh, he's dying. I'm fucking sad. I literally, okay. Anyway, these are the bubbles that I'll be using. It's the 5-minute ones. They're really easy. I'll put the link in my bio. I'm not bio, description. Oh my god, I've been on TikTok for too long. I'll put the link in the description for all my boba shit, as well as just my Amazon storefront in general, so that you guys can just go crazy. That was the cheapest one that I could find that was on Amazon. I got there's a the Wii app, but like it's like after a while you have to pay for delivery, and so Amazon's always the way to go. Next, I'm gonna take some molasses, and when I say some, I mean like a shit ton, because it's like fun fact, brown sugar is made from molasses and regular sugar. So I'm just putting it all around the cup because I'm trying to be aesthetically pleasing. Does it, can you see that? Can you see the, okay. Oh, fuck. Oh. I forgot that I had water in here, so I kind of just like, it's kind of like, okay, and then I'm gonna get some sugar. I don't really have that much sugar, huh? We need to get more sugar. So I am a whore for sugar, so we're just gonna, don't judge me, because literally this is how much sugar that your boba contains when you go to the store. So don't even like fucking come for me. If my phone dies during this, I'm gonna be really mad. Guys. Should I just risk it? Because I know TikTok is taking me down by facial recognition, but like if I'm on a new device, wouldn't that be kind of extra? Also, my sugar daddy's like doesn't mind paying for a lawsuit against TikTok for discrimination, even though there's a 99% chance that it's not gonna like do anything, obviously, because it's a private corporation from China. Okay, so my balls are boiling. I'm going, oh no, not my balls. My balls have not been put in yet. So I'm just gonna see my boiling water. This is, oh fuck, that's hot. This is probably not. Can you tell that I'm not in the kitchen very often? Okay. I'm so like, is that me? Okay. I like a shit ton of boba because, ooh, you see that? You see the balls? And then you just wait like 2 minutes for them to rise to the top. And then you turn off the heat. And then you wait another 2 minutes. Yeah, that's definitely enough balls. Okay, So while that is boiling, I'm going... Oh, they're rising to the top already. I'm sorry. Fucking TikTok. Dude, every time I'm like at work and we're on break and someone's like in the break room and they're scrolling through TikTok, I just want to cry. It's so fucking bad. Like, I got scammed for no reason. If TikTok had just told me like, hey, we don't want you on our platform because the racism that you face is just too much for us, then I could have just been like, you know, cool. And then I would have gotten a new device and then I would have just kept going. It's okay, it's okay. Ooh, the balls are happening. Do you want to see? Look at the balls. Do you see that? That is really cool. Look at them go. Okay, that is going too hot. Can I turn it off? So it's just whenever they come to the surface, you turn it off, and then you're just gonna let it like simmer. You're gonna let it simmer, cool down for like, not cool down, it's gonna finish cooking for like 2 minutes, and then you can do like a little taste test. But honestly, okay, I'm gonna need to like coat them in sugar. Actually, I can just do it in the cup. I'll do it in my cup because I'm trying not to like make dishes for me to clean because I'm lazy as fuck. Okay, but I need to strain these balls. I keep putting you guys down and then picking you guys back up. Bro, I'm so fucking sad. If my dog dies, I swear to God, that's like the last fucking straw, is if my dog dies. He's only like 6 years old and he has pancreatitis. He's not even obese or anything. He gets so much exercise. Okay, the balls have sunk down. Wait, are they supposed to sink? Are they supposed to sink? I don't even know. Are they supposed to come back up? I'm sorry. I've only made this once before. I should try one to make sure they're chewy. Okay, here's a ball. I feel like it's gonna be really fucking hot. Look at the ball. It's like one black ball. You see it? Look at it jiggling around. I'd say that's good enough. It's like al dente, you know what I mean? Because I like it when it's just like a little bit chewy. That's literally like how it is in the boba shops. So that's why I like it. Oh fuck. I'm sorry. You know what? I'm so unprofessional, guys. Okay. Cool. And then you're supposed to take the balls. Take the balls, and then you're gonna run it under cold water for like 20 seconds. Technically you're supposed to just put it in a bowl of water, but I am lazy as fuck, as you guys know, and I don't want to do more dishes. I think that's good enough because I'm gonna put like ice in it and shit, so it's good. See, it's only been like 9 minutes so far, and I've already got like half my shit done. Oh fuck. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, my balls. Bro, look at all these. Oh fuck. Look at all these. Oh. What? Look at all these balls, bro. Okay. I need a spoon. Bro. This is a long ass spoon. Is this good? No, that's a long ass spoon. I'm sorry. Okay, so go like that. Go like that. Da, da, da. Okay, and now in order to make the brown sugar, like, because right now the tapioca pearls don't have any flavor really, even though the packaging says that it tastes like it's brown sugar flavored. It's really not. It doesn't taste like shit. It tastes like pasta, bro. Chewy ass pasta. Oh, maybe there's not syrup. Okay, so now I'm just mixing the balls with the syrup. I'm gonna probably put more because I am a whore for sweet shit. And then one more scoop of sugar because, again, brown sugar is molasses plus regular sugar. Okay. And then it's time to add the ice. The ice. Oh shit, I was about to put water in, that's bad. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Oh shit. See, I would, can you see? Fuck. I'm sorry, that wasn't satisfying. I was gonna make this like an aesthetically pleasing video, and then I realized that that's just not how I roll, and I'm literally, that's a lot of fucking work, like editing. I hate editing, and again, I don't even have like a computer to like edit on, so it wouldn't make any sense. Okay, now I've got a jug of milk, and this is always my favorite part because it looks pretty when you put it in. So okay, look at that. Oh my god. Do you see the bubbles? And look at the balls. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh shit. Where's my boba straw? I have my reusable boba straw. I'll also link this. Well, not these metallic ones. Oh, actually, I can do that. Okay, are we ready to taste this? Okay, thumbnail. Wait, fuck. I can do a thumbnail. Okay. Bro, I bet you the balls are really warm right now, so. Oh, that's good. That's really good. It's really good. And it's not like really expensive too, you know what I mean? Oh, fuck yeah. So good. Hell yeah. Anyway, brown sugar milk. It's not tea because I'm too lazy to brew it, but I think next time I want to make a matcha milk bubble tea. We'll do that next time. See, and that only took 13 minutes with me filming, but like if you don't have a camera in your hand, it'll take you like 5, because that's how long it took for me last time to make it. Cheers, I love y'all. I hope my dog doesn't die.